Hello student. Today I am going to explain you Maths of class 6 chapter number 1 basic concept in geometry. In this chapter we will see the different concept. For example, we will see points, line segment, line, rays, concurrent lines, points of concurrent, collinear points, non-collinear points, plane, parallel lines, intersecting lines. Now student, our first topic is points. A point is shown by a tiny dot. It's called a point. There are 3 points, point A, B and C on your screen. Second is line. A line is a straight line with arrow at both ends of the line. In the screen you can see line AB and line GH. Both have the arrow on both the side. Line segment. A line segment has 2 points showing its limit. They are called endpoints. You can see in the figure AB and CD are the 2 segments with the 2 end points. Now after this, here now we will see the rays. A ray is a part of line. It starts at one point and goes forward continuously in the same direction. The starting point of ray is called it origin. In the figure you can see ray AB starting point is A increased by the arrow B. Here you can see ray AB and ray LM. Now student, how many lines are passing through a point? If you see in the figure, there is a point P. There is an infinite number of lines can be drawn to the point P. The infinite means innumerable, uncountable. If I ask how many lines can be drawn through 2 given points, one and only one line can be drawn through any 2 given points. Now student, concurrent lines. Concurrent line means 3 or more than 3 lines intersecting in a single point are called concurrent lines, and their points of intersection is called the point of concurrent. In the given figure, PQ, RS and MN are the concurrent lines and the points of concurrence is O. Now student will see a collinear points. Now collinear point means 3 or more than 3 points which lie on a single straight line are said to be a collinear points. Our next topic is non-collinear points. Now student, non-collinear point is the opposite of collinear point. When a single straight line cannot be drawn that passes through 3 or more than 3 points, the points are said to be a non-collinear point. Our next topic is plane. In your surrounding, you have seen the many plane surface area. A plane is a flat surface with no thickness. For example, table, notebook are the example of plane. Now student, will see the parallel line. For example, I can give ladder. Ladder have the 2 parallel line. Railway track have the 2 parallel line. Same way in the figure you can see M and N have a two parallel lines. Lines in same plane which do not intersect each other are called parallel line. Now we'll see the intersecting line. Student, when two lines intersect each other, they cross each other, is called intersecting line. Lines which lie in the same plane but intersect each other are said to be a intersecting line. Now student, we will start the practice set number 1. To the right side of your screen, you can see the figure. Your question number 1 is, look at the figure alongside and name the following: collinear point, rays, line segment and lines. Now student, as per the given figure, collinear point are MOT, a 3 point, on the 3 point a line passing through it. And second is RON, are the collinear point. Now rays, if we talk about the rays are OP, ON, OT, OS, OR and OM. These are the rays of the given figure. Line segment. Line segment means what? The segment which have both the side point, ending point or starting point, we can say. Here MT, RN, OP, OT, OS, OR and OM are the line segment. Line means both the side there are arrow. The given figure, line MT and line RN are the line. Now question number 2 is, write different name of the lines. Now the figure is drawn in the screen. If you see, there is a figure line L. The whole line name is given L. Line AB, line AC, line AD, line BC, line BD and line CD are the line of the given figure with the different name. Question number 3, match the following. To the left side of your screen, you can see there are two groups, group A and group B. Group A is the figure, group B is the name of the figure. You have to identify you have to match the group A with the group B. The first one is the both the side arrow. It means the correct option is C, line. Second one is the both the side is the point. Its correct option is D, line segment. Third one is the plane surface area. It's a plane. Both one is a starting point, one side is the arrow. It is a ray. That is the option A. The question number 4. Observe the figure. Name the parallel lines, the concurrent lines and the points of concurrence in the figure. As per the given figure, we have to identify the first parallel line. The first parallel line is line B is parallel to line M, is parallel to line Q. Second is line A is parallel to line P. Concurrent lines, line A, line B, line C and line AD are the concurrent lines. Second is line P, line Q and line AD. Now student, points of concurrent. Point A and point D are the points of concurrence. I hope you understood this chapter. Thank you for watching this video.